Comfortable 4-bed/2-bath home with large fenced backyard and deck off of main bedroom with sliding door. Open floor plan makes easy living and entertaining. One level with a short step into back living room/wood stove area and back bedrooms. Separate laundry room and entry area off of kitchen. Newer vinyl plank flooring in shared living areas with laminate in 3 bedrooms and carpet in main bedroom. Wood shed and gate into backyard. Call for a showing today.